In this video, we're gonna learn how to do crow pose and crane pose, or you can say straight arm crow. First, crow pose. Your position, feet wider, extend your arms, bring your knees closer to your armpits, bend your elbows, keep your fingers wide, your elbows facing towards your shin bone. Your position, now drill 1. Inhale, bring your hips up, thighs parallel like chair pose, palms down. Exhale, down. Again, inhale, hips up, palms down. Exhale, come down. Inhale, hips up, palms down. Now drill 2. Exhale, lift your heels up, push your body forward. Heels down, heels up, heels down, heels up. While coming down, don't slide your knees down. Keep your knees closer to your armpits like drill 1. Drill 2, move your heels up and down. When you're lifting your heels up, you're pushing your body weight forward, backward, forward, down. Suppose this is the line of center. Your palms on the line, behind this line, beyond this line. Now your body weight is behind the line. You have to use your heels to push your body weight forward beyond the line to come into crow pose. Down, heels for up, push your body forward. Once you are here, you are almost into crow pose. Now bring your right toe up, left toe up and down. Now thing is, when you push your body forward, you may have fear of falling forward. What if you hurt yourself? So in that case, you can use block or fold your mat or double fold your mat. Point A, point B, point C. Point A, point B, you are balanced. Now point C, you will fall. In case you fall, you have your mat, your block to protect yourself. Again, inhale, heels up, push your body weight forward. Exhale, toes up. You are into your crow pose. Now down. One more time. Your position, feet wider, extend your arms, knees closer to your armpits, bend your elbows, elbows facing your shin bone, fingers wide. Drill 1, inhale, drill 2, exhale, back. Drill 1, inhale, palms down, hips up, exhale, lift your heels up, push your body weight forward, come into crow pose and down. Now crane pose, or you can say straight arm crow. It's more like crow pose, you keep your arms bent like chaturanga. In straight arm crow, you are more like plank position. Straight arm, arms bent, arms straight. First, come into crow pose. Now push your body up, crane pose or straight arm crow. Down. Before pushing your body up, bring your heels closer to your hips. Push your body up, straight arms and down. Relax. Before go for straight arm crow, master normal crow pose. At least hold it for 10 seconds every time. Then go for straight arm crow. Crow pose. Heels up, push your body weight forward, toes off the mat. Heels closer to your hips, toes pointed, push your body up. You are into straight arm crow, or you can crane pose. Down, crow pose, crane pose and relax. Thank you.